Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today you'll be riding along with me as I drive through beautiful Zion National Park. But first of all, I'd like to tell you how excited to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far Eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy riding along with me, and if you do, I'd always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me as I try to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of this trip, we'll drive on arguably the most scenic 11 miles in America as we drive through Zion National Park. We'll start at the western entrance on Utah 9 in Springdale and drive east into Zion Canyon, then up its wall to the Zion Mount Carmel Tunnel. After passing through this 1-mile tunnel, we will then drive through the eastern part of the park until we finally exit at the Eastern Ranger Station on Utah 9. Also, don't forget that including this video are, of course, lots of facts about our route and Utah, as well as some trivia questions. The trip this video is from has featured or will feature a little bit of everything as we travel some new and familiar places, including the loneliest highway in America, I-80 from Chicago to Truckee, California, the scenic $1 Million Highway, beautiful Bryce, Canyonlands, and Zion National Parks, and of course, hundreds of scenic miles in my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here or watching today's video while still unsubscribed, I hope this video persuades you to hit that subscribe button so you can keep following along on my road trip adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and if you missed any of the ones before this one, you can always catch up by clicking the playlist link in the description. Finally, the video description has a ton of other information that's helpful as well, like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and also ways you can help make more videos like these possible. Make sure to check it out. Of course, the simplest and easiest way to support me is like this video and maybe sharing it with a friend. It really helps me out and allows more people to enjoy this content. Now that it's all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving east on Utah 9 through stunning Zion National Park in magnificent southwestern Utah. Well, that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching it until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and maybe sharing it with a friend. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll drive from Zion National Park to beautiful Bryce Canyon National Park. So make sure to subscribe so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.